Meg or Abby?
But I will never be a stepping stone. Take it all or leave me alone.
Where's Abby? I'm right here. Kausap ka lang si Mommy. Oh. Ano nangyari kay Edge? Wala, hindi na umabot sa kwarto. Come on, Edge. Edge, wake up. Come on, wake up. Come on. Move me to the room. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
This year's Freshman's Ball, exciting siyempre. Oo naman, who will go with whom?
Alam mo pa kung ano nakakatuwa ang Maui Amoy? Guess. Kung sino kalaban mo kay Regine? Ang katabi ko mismo na si Kyle.
Bakit mo sinabi?
Hindi yan para kay Abby. Hindi ako in love kay Abby.
Then who is it for, Chico? Para yan sa mami ni Abby, kay Mrs. Rickson.
Si Luis. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit umiiyak. Hindi ko alam. Ewan ko.
Dahil mahal kita, Chico. Kaliwat kanan ng mga sekreto, no? How exciting.
Hoy, Big Brother, Big Sister pa rin ang pairing, di ba? Secret from a senior. Palabas lang yon. You'll see, palitan ng partner pagdating doon. Masaya ang Freshman's Ball this year kasi masaya ang mga Lindonites. Oo naman, friends na ulit sina Abby and Meg. BFFs through good times and bad. At bad talaga ang time for Abby now that her father died.
I just really want to see my dad.
And you will, okay? You're gonna see him bago siya ilibing. You have my word.
Ano kaya ang nakain ng mga Lindonite elite? Eh biglang napakabait ang mga Queen Bee at biglang nagkabati ang mga mortal enemy.
Look, hindi kami lumapit sa'yo para makipag-away. Something happened with me after an accident. I realized a lot of things. Hindi tayo magkalaban.
Hindi rin tayo magkaibigan.
Look, this is a bona fide offer. You think it's easy for me to talk to you after what happened in our first day? Baka mali lang tayo ng first impression sa isa't isa. I'm sorry.
Ako rin.
And of course, going strong ang mag-lovey-dovey.
Do you remember when we first met?
Canteen, tinapunan mo ng food si Maui.
Mag 2 months na yun this Saturday.
So,
So, anniversary ng first meeting natin. Pwede rin maging anniversary ng... Depende sa mangyayari this Saturday.
Bina-blackmail mo ako, Meg.
Gusto ko lang maging memorable occasion this Saturday.
What time this Saturday?
You mean, wala nang tulakan sa pool, wala nang labasan ng childhood secrets, at wala nang agawan ng boyfriend. Lako, freshman nga kayo. Huwag maniniwala sa lahat ng nakikita. There's more to things that meets the eye. Mukhang may alam ka. Speaking from experience lang, things are never what they seem, lalo na dito sa Linden.
Hindi ka pala nagbibiro nung sinabi mong mabilis kang malasing.
Kaya nga ayoko uminom, diba?
For good cause naman eh. Para kay Abby.
Good cause. Sure. Wait.
Hey. This was supposed to make you smile. Akala ko ito yung magpapasaya sa'yo. Akala ko rin. Okay, hindi nag-work. Pero di bale, I'll find something para makalimutan mo yung problema mo, okay? Alam ko na, let's go malling.
Ako, bihis na muna ako tapos uwi muna ako. Itutulog ko na lang yung hangover ko.
Okay.
You have entered the most fabulous online community for the younger generation. Get ready to surf, sink, and dive into the lives of the rich and infamous teens of the city's elite. Welcome to the unofficial website of Linden High. This is Lip Gloss.
So fab, my life so chic, so glam, so fab. Living a lot of luxury, so fab. Getting what I want when I want, so fab. Hurry up, I can know and go enjoy the fab. The fab, my life so fab, so fab. The fab, my life so fab, so fab. The fab, my life so fab, so fab. The fab, my life so fab. Ooh, Prada blending, fit and all that hype. I'm living the so-called GLAM life. Riding the best, cause cruising roads so wide. It is the best, my life is oh so fab. My life so chic, so glam, so fab. Living a lot of luxury, so fab. Getting what I want when I want, so fab. Hurry up, I can know and go enjoy the fab.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's your soul, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it, no, it's my heart, your shit out.
Luis Tanco, hindi pa ba napapanis ang laway mo? 20 minutes ka na nagmumukmuk dyan ah. Eto, bagay na ba tong mga pinamili ko para sa Big Brother Little Sister of the Year? O Little Sister Big Brother? Wala naman tinulong si Kuya Jake sa akin eh. So naghahanap ka na rin ng bigger billing? Dapat lang, diba? Kasi nga wala siyang tinulong sa akin. Hindi niya nga ako susundin para sa freshman's ball mamaya eh. Diyan kita talo. Kahit hindi na kami brother and sister ni Maui, he's gonna pick me up tonight. Ano na si Kyle? Ayokang masaktan si Kyle. Pero in love ako kay Maui eh. Hindi ko na nga alam kung anong gagawin ko tungkol kay Kyle. Anong sasabihin ko pag nagkita kami? Hoy, bawal ma-depress ng sabay.
Well, nauna ako.
Your problem's not that bad, Luis.
Anong not that bad? I told Jigo I love him.
Sa harapan pa ng lahat. Paano ko siya haharapin ngayon? Ano pa kasing naisip at nagawa ko yun?
Oo nga, nagulat ka kami lahat sa'yo nung
I can't believe nasabi ko yun. Ako pa nagsabing gusto ko siya.
Okay lang yan, Luis. 2008 na. Hindi na usong Maria Clara. You can tell the guys you love how you feel.
Oo nga! Ah, teka. Sino ba si Maria Clara?
Ayoko na magpakita sa kanya. Ayoko na magpakita sa school. Nakakahiya.
Ano ka ba? Si Jigo ang dapat na mahiya. Eh, nakikipagrelasyon ba naman sa nanay? At nanay yun, ha? Ah, may iba ka pa bang sinabihan?
You mean, aside from pagbulgar ko kina Jake and Abby? Wala. Kayo lang. Ayoko namang mapahiya si Jigo.
I wonder kung anong ginawa ni Abby nung nalaman niya.
Hey! Ano ba? Hey! I want you to...
Abby, may problema kayo? Abby, why did you leave me? I was just paying for these. Meg! Luis! Ziggy, Julie, V, nag-shoppingan kayo?
Yeah, for the ball mamaya. Fancy! Kayo din?
Hindi. Siya lang. Kasi siya lang meron pambili. I've never been so humiliated in my life. Bakit? Ano nangyari? Rejected yung cards ko. Suspended because of non-payment. After pa ako pumili ng sangkatutak na clothes and shoes and... So embarrassing. Miss Abby Rickson, you've just been punked! What? Ano ka ba? Joke lang kasi, bestie. Pinag-deactivate ko yung cards mo, no? You should have seen the look on your face. Paniwalang paniwala ka. It was a joke. Yeah, of course. Kaya nga ako muna nagbayad ng mga to eh. Sorry Pero galing kong acting, no? Dad na lang. Parang wala akong alam. Anyway, so you guys have fun at the Freshman's Ball. Bye!
Bye, Abby. Joke lang pala. For a moment, akala ko naghihirap pa si Abby Rickson.
Di mangyayari yun.
Sure? Okay, fine. Lahat na ng cards ko overdrawn. Pinakat na ng family ni Daddy yung sustento namin. Kaya yun, hindi nabayaran. Tapos si Mami naman hindi nagsasabi. Kasi si Mami minsan talaga eh. I'm so sorry, Abby. Basta if ever you need anything, andito lang ako, okay? Huwag na. Ang dami-dami ko ng utang sa'yo eh.
Ano ka ba, bestie? Pera lang yon. Kaya nga may best friend eh. Kahit ano, kaya nating i-survive.
Kahit ano?
Grabe, ano so comfortable. I don't know what to wear ka. I mean, ano pa ito so comfortable? Yeah, anong gusto you wearing? But I don't know. But like maybe, ha? I need to be.
Ayan na yung mga guys, oh! Hi!
Hey. Hi.
Saan si Luis?
Ayan, oh! Ha? Saan na napunta yun?
So...
Mauna na kami. Bye.
Bye. Bye! Ano pa naman yan? Pahamak naman sabihan ng crush yan. Hayat bye na lang nasasabi niyo ni Kyle sa isa't isa? Teka, asan ba si Luis? Umalis na sila?
Anong nangyari sa'yo?
Sa tingin ko, hindi ko pa siya kayang harapin. me if I'm not calling you. After what you did, bye.
Abby,
Wala si Meg dito.
I know. Gusto sana kita makausap.
Go talk.
May nangyari ba sa atin kagabi?
Wow. The gentleman of all gentlemen, kunyari, has sex with me and can't even remember. Kilala mo ba ako?
Si Meg. Si Abby pala. I mean, si Meg.
It's Abby. You're really drunk, Edge.
Di pa.
Yes, you are. You don't even know what you're doing.
Alam ko pa.
Really? Meg or Abby?
But I will never be a stepping stone. Take it all or leave me alone.
I'm sorry. Hindi ko na namalayan yung ginawa ko.
Dapat ba ako matuwa niyan?
I'm really sorry. Di na dapat kasi ako umiinom eh.
And yet, ginawa mo pa rin.
And I really made a mess of things.
Yes, you did.
And kung pwede, ako na lang magsabi kay Meg.
Lasing ka pa ba? Ba't mo sasabihin?
What? Eh kahit hindi pa niya ako officially sinasagot.
Kung gusto mong sagutin ka niya, hindi mo sasabihin sa kanya.
Eh parang linuloko ko na siya nun, di ba?
If we tell her, masasaktan lang siya. Kung wala siyang malaman, hindi siya masasaktan.
I don't know, Abby.
Ako, alam ko. May rason ng kasabihan na what you don't know won't hurt you.
I guess. And, Abby,
What?
I'm really sorry for what happened.
Sinabi mo na yun. And don't worry about Meg. Kilala ko siya. We've been best friends since we were 5. At alam ko kung anong kailangan niya.
Ano ba? Ang moderator nito, ano ba? Bakit ayaw? Jigo, hindi ako naglagay nito. Hindi ako makapasok sa site. Hindi ko alam kung sino gumawa nito. This is bad. Someone hacked the lip gloss website.
Yan! Bagay sa'yo! Salamat, Julie V, ha? No problem. Eh kasi naman, bakit kasi hindi ka pa bumili nung nasa mall tayo? Eh, wala akong nagustuhan eh. So, Luis, maganda ba?
Oo, bagay na bagay sa'yo.
I can't believe di ka pupunta sa ball.
Ayoko. Andun si Jigo. Naalala ko yung kahihiyang ginawa ko.
Bakit naman nasala sa usapan niya si Luis?
Si Luis. Hindi ko alam kung bakit umiiyak. Hindi ko alam. Ewan ko.
Dahil mahal kita, Jigo.
You have to go! Ika-crown ako Little Sister of the Year. Kahit na wala yung big brother ko. Hindi pupunta si Jake? He's not up to it daw. Dala pa nung aksidente niya. Hindi naman totoo yan eh. May iniiwasan na siguro.
Si Abby o si Meg? Akala ko ba, bati-bati na lahat. Nicey-nicey na.
Ewan sa kanya. But the school said, pwede raw magdala ng date kahit nawala yung little sister o big brother. Kaya yung mommy ko, kinontrata niya na yung anak ng client niya. At cute raw!
Mas cute si Maui sa kanya.
Hindi mo pa nga nakikita eh. Ikaw talaga. Pero, talaga bang mas type mo siya kaysa kay Kyle? Cute din naman si Kyle, di ba? Kahit mukha siyang geek.
Eh, hindi naman kasi ganun ang tingin ko kay Kyle. Friend ko siya eh. I don't really think kung cute siya o hindi. I mean, tingin ko sa kanya, friend lang. Maaasahan. Mabait. Pero he's really funny rin. At saka sweet. Masayang kasama.
Oh, ready na ba tayo for tonight? Oo naman. Ito, ano, manicure, pedicure tayo?
Sige, I want to look my best for tonight. Especially for Maui.
Hay nako, bakit ba kasi mga girls ang dami pa kailangan gawin para magpa-beauty? Buti pa ang mga boys, hindi ganun to.
Kyle! Para naman tayo nagpapatintero, Kyle.
Can't believe you did that.
Sinasabi ko lang naman yung totoo ah. Bakit? May gusto ka naman talaga kay Ziggy, di ba?
Sa ating dalawa lang dapat yun.
Eh paano nga kayong dalawa hindi mo nga masabi-sabi sa kanya? You know what, actually, I did you guys a favor. Mabuti nang alam niya.
Oo, at alam na lang lahat. Thanks to your public announcement.
Yeah, you know what, you're right. Let me make it up to you. Tutulungan kita with Ziggy. Just, you know, para makabawi naman ako sa mga kasalanan ko.
Hindi ko kailangan ng tulong mo. Parang tulong.
Talaga, you'll see.
Go! Cause I put too much energy in me.
Ba't natin ginagawa to?
I told you, para mapansin ka ni Ziggy.
I look fine the way I am, ha?
No, you don't. Kyle, pupunta ka sa freshman ball. Hindi ka pupunta sa science fair, okay?
Look, if Ziggy doesn't like me, kung sino talaga ako...
No, Kyle, you look. Kilala ko yung tipo ni Ziggy. Eh, Abby Rickson wannabe kaya yon. The only thing that's important to her is what looks cool, what looks hot, and what doesn't look like a reject ng Beauty and the Geek, okay?
Hindi ganun kababaw si Ziggy.
Okay, kung hindi ganun kababaw si Ziggy, ba't si Maui yung kasama niya at hindi ikaw?
Susuotin ko.
The way that you're talking, you're the one I wanna spend this night with, trying to get in them drawers and bang it out till the morning. I can already tell you want it, cause you're shaking it off for me, giving it all to me, rubbing that body on me. Keep on shaking it off for me, giving it all to me, rubbing that body on me.
Alam mo, you can go to the ball later if you want. Hindi mo na ako kailangan samahan dito.
Hindi rin naman pupunta yung little sister ko eh. Kasi si Luis, iniiwasan niya si Jigo. And besides, sabi mo sa akin, masama yung pakiramdam mo. Di syempre, sasamahan na lang kita. Probably, kasalanan ko nga yun dahil pinili kitang uminom ng isang gabi.
About that, Meg?
Yeah?
Wala pala. Baka lang gusto mo pa rin pumunta.
Hindi na nga. Eto, binuksan ko na yung laptop. Panoorin natin sila. May live feed daw mamaya sa Lip Gloss website. Ano kaya yun?
Freshman ball na. Remember nung freshie tayo?
Oo naman. First ball ko, umaga pa lang nasa parlor na ako.
I think sobrang attention ang binibigay natin sa looks. What's inside ang importante.
In fairness, nag-enjoy ako for one night. I felt so beautiful.
Yun nga. Eh, you can feel beautiful kahit ano itsura mo. Nasa loob ang beauty.
Kung nasa loob ng beauty mo, Sophie, let it out, girl. Let it out.
Oo, Dad. Samahan ko lang sila Ziggy tapos uwi na din ako. Okay, bye.
Sige, Kyle. Check mo na lang ulit. Check mo na lang ulit. Okay, huwag ka mag-alala. Alright. Sige. Kita lang tayo mamaya sa ball. Alright, bye-bye. Hi.
Hi.
Sige.
Wait. Tungkol dun sa sinabi ko sa'yo the other day.
Yung pagsabi mo kay Abby na in love ako sa mom niya.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Jigo. It's none of my business.
Malalaman na naman niya eh. Nakita ni Kuya yung card.
At saka yung isa yung,
Yeah? I thought it was very brave of you to do that.
What?
Hindi ko alam kung ano magiging reaction ko dun sa ginawa mo, pero kakanga ako dun sa ginawa mo. Hindi lahat makakagawa nun. Yung i-risk mo yung sarili mo dahil naniniwala ka sa dun sa sasabihin mo. It took a lot of guts to do that. And you did it. Sorry, Abdo.
Okay.
Alam mo, mabuti na lang pinayagan ka ng kuya mo sumama sa akin.
He trusts us na. He didn't even remind us about my curfew, diba? Pero I think distracted lang siya. Kasi ilang araw na siyang ganyan eh. Oh, Jigo! Si Abby!
Si Abby? Hindi pa kami nagkita ni Abby since, hindi pa kami nag-uusap ni Abby recently.
Ziggy, Maui.
Bro!
Akala ni Julie V na hindi ka raw darating.
I wasn't going to.
Eh, paano yan? Akala niya wala ka, so she doing someone else.
Okay lang yun. Buti nga yun eh. I don't have to stay.
Jake? Andito ka pala?
30?
Jake.
So, magkakilala kayo.
Ready for college, man?
Just about. I heard na-drop ka raw sa team B ng school na. Was it ACL?
And I heard na di ka raw pumasa sa Stanford. Kaya dito ka nag-aanap ng school.
Halika, Julie B. Let's dance.
If you won't mind, she's my date.
Only because sakala na hindi ako makakarating.
Gosh, ganda pala feeling ng pinag-aagawan.
Oh my gosh! Si 30 yung date ni Julie V. Edge,
Sorry, ano yun?
si Julie V yung date niya, si Diego Castañeda III. 3 years ago, sabay nila ni Jake niligawan si Abby. Pero si Jake yung sanagot niya. Since then, hindi na napatawad ni 30 si Jake. Kinakalaban sa lahat ng bagay. Iba talaga yung epekto ng best friend ko sa boys, no?
is that you were fighting over a girl na hindi niyo naman talaga gusto, di ba?
Inis lang kasi talaga ako sa 3D na yun.
Wait lang, bakit ka nga ba nandito? Akala ko ba ayaw mo pumunta?
Nakatanggap kasi ako ng text from Abby.
Oh. Come over, you won't regret it? Ano naman kaya yun?
Hopefully, ibig sabihin nun na ready na siya makipagbalikan sa akin.
The 7 things I hate about you. The 7 things I hate about you. Oh, you. You're vain, you're games, you're insecure. You love me, you like her. You made me laugh, you made me cry. I don't know which side to fight. Your friends, they're jerks when you act like them. Just know it hurts. I wanna be with the one I know. And the 7th thing I hate the most that you do.
Andyan pala si Abby. Hi!
Hi, Ziggy! Chico. Tara, little brother, tingnan natin kung sino nandito.
You guys go ahead. Next year lang si Maui.
Okay, see you later.
Abby, I'm sorry.
Why? Kasi nilalandi ka ni Mommy?
Hindi naman sa ganon.
You know what? Huwag ka mag-alala. Wala lang sa akin yan, okay? Hindi ikaw nauna at hindi rin ako nahuli. So why should I care what you guys do?
Wala naman kami ginagawang masama eh.
Oh look, there's someone interesting.
Luis, ang ganda mo naman, di ba, Maui?
Oo nga no, pero sorry Luisa, I have eyes for only one special girl tonight.
Hi.
Hi. Nandito ka na pala. Teka, si Julie ba nandito na?
Oo, kanina pa.
Si Kyle.
May problema siya kanina eh.
Patience running out. This ain't how it's supposed to be. Haters for sleeping with the enemy. How do we reverse the chemistry?
That's Mike. First of all, welcome sa annual Linden Freshman Ball. Dahil sa inyong repeated requests, the school approved na may papalabas na ang event na to live sa Lip Gloss website. As you can see, sa screen natin.
Ano yan?
Hoy, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Oh my God, geek police. Huwag mo sabihin pati ba naman sa ball may dala kang laptop. Pwede, itago mo yan. Di bagay sa bago mong image.
Sino yan? I think, hindi ba yan yung freshman nerds? Yung may salamin na laging may dalang laptop kahit sa CR? I really hope lalaki ka kung nakikita mo yung ginagawa niya sa CR. Geek Boy Campus Heartthrob? Parang pang sine. Hindi magiging campus heartthrob yan, no? Kahit cover boy sa labas, geek pa rin sa loob.
Now's your chance. Sige na, punta na doon. Go! Go!
Oh, yeah. Diba, especially outside. Eh, may dami
Wow! I mean, hi! You look great.
Nice new look, pare.
Kyle, gwapo ka pala. Diba, Ziggy?
Nasaan na yung big brother and big sister niyo?
Si Luis, walang kasama. Si Meg naman nagme-mingle daw. Ako, may iba akong kasama. Asa na nga pala siya? Sandali lang hahanapin ko.
And,
Maui? Oh, he's just getting some drinks.
You have time for dance?
Sorry. The reason that I'm singing, I need to find you. I gotta find you. You're the missing piece I need. The song inside of me. I need to find you. I gotta find you. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine.
Louis. Would you like to,
Why not?
Kinikilig ako para sa little sister ko.
If you found out something about something, halimbawa, like may bad news, or, I mean, sa tingin mo, ikaw, gusto mo bang malaman?
Ha?
I mean, kung wala ka naman magagawa sa situation na sasama lang loob mo.
Why would I wanna know something na sasama lang yung loob ko?
Right, of course. Of course. So, you believe that what you don't know won't hurt you?
Well, hindi. Because some things hurt you, whether alam mo o hindi. Diba?
Right.
Bakit? May problema ka ba, Ed?
Ako? Wala. Just my friend. Humingi siya sa akin ng advice and di ko lang kung ano sasabihin.
Bait talaga ng boyfriend ko. Ay! Boyfriend yung nasabi ko. Pero hindi pa pala officially official hanggang sagutin kita. And para masagot kita, kailangan tanungin mo ulit ako. But not tonight. Kailangan right place and right time. And it's up to you to figure it out.
I took my first step on the black and white kitchen floor. Sometimes wonder if that house is even there anymore. I had my first glimpse of love when I was 5.
So, ano naman kaya sasabihin ni Jake kapag nakita niya tayo nag-slow dance together?
Wala. This is for old time's sake lang naman, diba? And besides, wala na kami ni Jake.
Really?
Yeah, we're just friends now.
So, does it mean na may chance na ako sa'yo ulit?
Sinabi ko ba yun?
On my way here, where I am now, I've learned to fly. I have to want to leave the ground. I've fallen hard.
Luis, you look beautiful. You always do, pero tonight...
Diego. Thank you.
On my way here, where I am now, I learned to fly. I have to want to leave the ground. I've fallen hard, but I've been loved, and in the end, it all works out.
So, wala ka pa sinasabi.
What?
May nulok. Bakit ba?
Cute, but parang namimiss ko yung udlok eh.
Kasi ikaw na ikaw yun. And it's who you really are. And I like who you are.
On my way here.
What's up with this? Patayin nga yan! Ano? Bakit di mo off? Ano? Ano nangyari? Ha? Ano ba? Ano? Sino ba napakanan nito? Ano na ba to? Sino napakanan nito? Ha? Ano ba? Wala ka ba alam dito? Ang galing na nga yung CD. Ben!
Sino yan?
Is that really two people na naghahalikan?
Babagal ba server mo? Hindi na halikan lang yan.
It looks like my boyfriend. Kung siya yan, papatayin ko talaga siya.
Hindi ba kamukha ni sir? Teacher's gone wild.
Baka frame up. Remember, looks can be deceiving.
Lahat kayo worried about who it looks like. Di kaya ang mas importante ay bakit at paano nalagay sa lip gloss yan?
Everyone, please, turn off your cell phones, computers, PDAs, at kung ano pa yung pinagpapanooran ninyo. Please!
No. Meg, huwag na natin panoorin to.
Hindi. Teka. I think that's... Hindi pwede.
Meg.
I think, kilala ko kung sino yung girl.
Kala pare, that's no way to treat a lady. A lady? That's funny.
Kala pare, hindi kita papayagang insultuin siya.
Ikaw makikiam dito, 30 ah.
You heard her? Okay?
This is between me and Abby.
Pare, wala nang you and Abby. Jake, hiwalay na kayo.
Hiwalay na?
Meg, hindi na dapat natin pinapanood to.
Kawawa naman si Abby. Who would do this? Ipa-post sa lip gloss website? I mean, ang sama naman ng...
Meg, I can explain.
I remember way back when I said I never want to see your face again. 'Cause you are loving, yes, you're loving somebody else. And I knew, oh yes, I knew I could control myself. And now they bring you back into my life again. And so I put on a face just like your friend. But I think you know, oh yes, you less you give, the more I want so foolishly. I will never be a stepping stone. I'm standing upright on my own.
So fab, my life's so chic, so glam, so fab. Living a lot of luxury, so fab. Getting what I want when I want, so fab. Hurry up, I can know and go enjoy the fab. The fab, my life's so fab, so fab. The fab, my life's so fab, so fab. The fab, my life's so fab, so fab. The fab, my life's so fab. Ooh, Prada blending, returning all that hype. I'm living the so-called GLAM life. Riding the best, cause cruising roads so wide. In this the best, my life is oh so fab. My life's so chic, so glam, so fab.